So what I've done is I've done the base off for my eyes and I've done my eyebrows. So I just put foundation, concealer and then baking powder, and now I'm gonna get into it. This is what the palette looks like. While I'm trying to decide what look I want to go for, I'm going to go in with Necked and Tan Up, I think. Not sure if I like this colour. Oh, actually, no, I do. I think it's not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be. Kind of having to pack it on. So I've put Necked on and now I'm going to go in with Tan Up, and I'm just going to place it on my crease line. Ooh, I like this colour. Don't worry, guys. All of this is going to be blended in. I just prefer to blend last. I wish they had a darker colour though, so that I can make more of a dramatic cut crease. This will just have to do. I don't know if it's just because I put Tan Up over Neck, but I feel like Tan Up has a lot more pigment and it was just easier to put on my eyelid. I know it literally looks so crazy at the moment. I think I might go in with Deep End just to make the cut crease more dramatic. I'm still not sure what base colour that I want to do, but yeah. So I've put Deep End on both eyes and I actually really like it. I'm gonna go in and cut crease my eyes while I'm still trying to decide what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna blend. Now I'm gonna go in with Summer Vibes. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, it's very orange. I think I'm gonna mix it and see what that looks like, because I don't want it to be too bright. Ooh. The shade in the corner looks really nice. So I'm just placing Summer Vibes in the center of my eyelid. I love these colors, they're so pigmented, and I did have to really layer it for it to get to this stage, but I love it. So now I'm gonna go back in with Tan Up, just put it in the corner of my eyelids. Oh my days, I actually love this. And then I'm gonna go back in with Deep End and just kind of use Deep End like eyeliner and connect it with the edge over here. So now I want to go in with eyeliner and just give myself a wing, quite a subtle one though. So now I'm gonna remove these. Let me see what it looks like. Yeah. Oh my days, I love this. Oh, I feel like the camera's like not even picking up how it looks. I'm gonna try the Fluidity foundation as per usual. This is like my new thing now, putting E45 on my face. I'm gonna try F420. This is like not my shade. I feel like it needs to be more yellowy and it's very like orange. And then I'm gonna try out, this is the F10. Okay, that's more like it. Okay, I should have started with the F10, but it's just because that's the lightest one. And it describes it as warm, deep tan with golden undertones. I was like, that does not sound like me. So yeah, I'm gonna blend that in. Oh my days, the F20 is so orange. Thank goodness for the F10. Whoa, okay. It's a lot more full coverage than like my other foundations. I think I put more of the F20 on this side and I'm looking so orange, like so orange. And I'm using the tiny pots. I literally got like so much left. I actually think I will purchase this foundation. It's actually good. I just need to get the F410 and not 20 because the 21 is orange on me anyway. I feel very caked. Normally when I wear foundation, I feel like it looks like my skin and it doesn't look like I'm wearing a lot. Whereas with that tiny, like I literally didn't put much on my face. I think this would be more glam for me. It looks very airbrushed, very smooth. It just looks like I'm wearing, like it looks like I'm wearing foundation just because it's so airbrushed. Whereas my normal foundation looks like skin and it's not so like smooth. I do love this foundation. I will purchase it because I'm not sure if I mentioned in the intro. Basically, I got it for free when I got the palette, but I will purchase the foundation because I do really like it. I think I would use it for more of like glam or yeah, when I'm trying to like dress up. I do really like it though. Oh my days, it's so weird. My skin looks so airbrush. I'm just putting the same shade, using the same colours as I used before on my lid at the bottom, and then I'm just gonna blend the top bit here so it's not got that sellotape line. I will say this is like my favourite makeup look that I've ever done. And I'm gonna go in with Deep End and just place that here in the center. I'm gonna go in with the Freedom highlighter. It's just a random highlighter, just to highlight my inner corner. I think it makes the makeup look stand out a little bit on the tip of my nose. So this is the final look. Oh my days, I actually really love this makeup look. The lighting's gone really dark. I don't know how to solve that, but yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, because I've enjoyed filming it, mainly because I love this makeup palette. I love this makeup palette. I really like the foundation. I think the first, what was it? It was like F420. That shade was not my shade, but the F10 was closer to my shade, so I think I'm gonna buy that one. But yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.